fact, we'll have to keep each other's emails and make like a Google photo album and just like dip into it with any photos we're missing. I know, I love it.
Balls are good with it.
See, Andy used to make fun of me because every time you cut our Springer Spaniel's hair, we used to I used to save it and put it in the bird feeders so the birds could take it to make nests, and he made fun of me, and I think they did take some of it.
What, you cut the dog's hair?
Yeah, because we used to literally skin him. It was easier to keep find the ticks and stuff like on him.
Yeah, they do definitely collect it.
Definitely.
That bird is in the ear.
Oh, yeah. Crikey.
Yeah.
I think we're all together now.